as we all work together to keep safety our top priority. Thank you for joining us, and welcome once again to DXN. Today's briefing is focused on ensuring your safety during your visit by minimizing potential risks and encouraging safe practices. This aligns with DXN's safety policy, which prioritizes the health and safety of everyone on our premises, employees, contractors, and visitors alike. Safety is a shared responsibility, and we encourage everyone to help maintain a safe environment by following our guidelines and promptly reporting any safety concerns. This commitment is a key part of DXN's culture, where safety comes first. Use of designated walkway. To begin with, please ensure you always stay on the designated walkways. These marked paths are in place to guide you safely through the facility and keep you away from potential hazards, such as moving equipment or slippery surfaces. Additionally, if you see floor mats near certain areas, please avoid stepping on them, as they are specifically for production staff accessing high hygiene zones. Your cooperation with these guidelines is essential in upholding our safety standards for everyone on site. Thank you for helping us maintain a safe and respectful environment. For your safety, please stay with your group and avoid exploring the plant on your own, as certain areas or equipment may pose risks to visitors. Always remain with your host, who will be guiding your tour. Hosts, please ensure all group members stay together. If anyone does get separated, please don't worry. Avoid entering unfamiliar areas and simply reach out to your host or visitation in charge using the contact information provided, or ask any DXN staff member for assistance in rejoining your group or returning to the main lobby at the cosmetic building. In certain areas, wearing specific personal protective equipment, PPE, is essential. For example, production zones may require hairnets, gloves, masks, or earmuffs, while hard hats and safety shoes are mandatory in the warehouse. Our team will provide any necessary PPE and guide you to its proper use. While PPE is not required for our designated visitor route, please stay within the approved areas and follow today's program. Additionally, we ask all visitors to wear appropriate attire as an added safety measure, which helps protect you and maintain cleanliness, especially in sensitive areas. Let's go over a few key policies to follow when entering DXN premises. First, our halal policy. DXN is fully committed to producing halal certified products, strictly adhering to sea area law and all relevant regulations. This policy ensures our products are handled with the utmost care to meet halal standards, providing assurance to our customers. As part of this commitment, bringing or consuming alcohol or non-halal items during your visit is strictly prohibited. Next is our no smoking policy. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on DXN premises to reduce health risks, prevent contamination, and avoid potential fire hazards. Please refrain from smoking in all areas, including restrooms, open spaces, and any other location within our facilities. Finally, we have a no food or drink in production areas rule. For hygiene and safety reasons, we ask that no food or beverages are brought into these areas. This helps us maintain the highest standards of quality, cleanliness, and product safety. Thank you for respecting these guidelines and contributing to a safe and compliant environment at DXN. In some areas of our facility, we use heavy machinery and specialized equipment for processing raw materials and manufacturing products. For your safety, please keep a safe distance from all equipment and machinery and do not enter any areas marked as restricted. Safety around machinery is essential. Avoid touching any surfaces or equipment, stay clear of moving parts, and remain alert for forklifts and other material handling vehicles in operation. Safety zones are clearly marked to guide you and ensure a safe visit. To recap, do not touch any surfaces, do not interact with any machinery, and do not enter restricted areas. Thank you for your cooperation in keeping everyone safe. At DXN, we prioritize safety through hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control, all of which are closely linked to visitor activities. While some of these safety measures may seem simple, overlooking them can lead to significant consequences. Please pay close attention to the following safety guidelines. Stair safety when using stairs, always exercise caution. Please make use of the handrails, take one step at a time, and avoid running or jumping. Staying focused on your steps and refraining from using your mobile phone while on the stairs can help prevent accidents like slips, trips, and falls. Toilet etiquette: please use the toilets responsibly. Simply sit, clean up after yourself, and dispose of any waste properly. This ensures a clean and safe environment for everyone. Maintaining cleanliness, we ask that you help us keep our premises clean by placing any rubbish in the designated bins. Proper waste disposal is essential for maintaining a safe and hygienic environment. Surveillance and security: for your safety, our premises are equipped with CCTV cameras for monitoring and security purposes. These are in place to ensure a safe environment for all visitors and staff. Emergency procedures. Now, let's go over the emergency procedure. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please remain calm and follow the instructions of your host or a member of our emergency response team, ERT. If the alarm sounds, immediately stop any activity, proceed to the nearest exit, and gather at the designated assembly point. Our team will guide you through the emergency exit routes and ensure everyone is accounted for. Please stay at the assembly point until the all-cleared signal is given. Based on the emergency route map, which you can refer to from the link provided, here are the assembly points for different areas. If you are visiting the Gano section, where we cultivate Ganoderma, the assembly point is at the bus parking area. For the spirulina section, near the green pond, the assembly point is just behind the spirulina building. For the main building, which includes the DXN pharmaceutical, coffee, and cosmetic production areas, the assembly point is in front of the building, behind the main security post. Once you reach the assembly point, please remain there. Your host will conduct a head count to ensure everyone is accounted for. Do not leave the area until you have received clearance from the authorities or the emergency leader. This is a critical reminder: do not leave the area under any circumstances. Your strict adherence to this directive is vital and greatly appreciated. As we conclude, here are a few important safety reminders for your visit. 1. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. 2. Always use designated walkways to avoid hazards. 3. Pay attention to your step to prevent trips and falls. 4. Exercise caution when using stairs. 5. Smoking is strictly prohibited. 6. Do not touch any surfaces. 7. Do not interact with any machines or equipment. 8. Do not enter in any restricted or unauthorized areas. 9. Always stay aware of your surroundings. 10. Maintain focus on your environment. Avoid distractions like mobile phones. By following these simple guidelines, we can ensure a safe and enjoyable visit for everyone. Thank you for your attention, and let's work together to keep safety as a top priority throughout your time here. Again, welcome to DXN.